Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher. I have decided to teach you second lesson entitled The Thief's Story. Students, in previous two videos, we have completed the first lesson. Now it is the turn for the second lesson entitled Thief's Story. The lesson, the short story by Ruskin Bond, one who is a prominent figure in Indian English literary field. His stories are full of lessons, full of humors also, and he always tries to teach us good moral lessons through his short stories. Students, the present lesson is one of his leading short stories. This is going to tell us about two important characters depicted in the story. They are Anil and Hari Singh, a changed name, one who plays the role of thief in this story. Students, the story is going to start with Hari Singh, who tells and says that he met Anil, one who was watching a wrestling match. Hari Singh himself was 15, while Anil was 25. Anil was a tall, lean fellow, and he was easygoing man in the eye of Hari Singh, and he was looking very kind and simple enough to fulfill his demand. Hari Singh says that he was very expert, he was very experienced, and he had fairly successful hand in his field. So he decided to interact, to talk to Anil, to make him his friends. After a little bit of time, when the wrestling match was going on, Hari Singh couldn't just wait for a moment, and he started flattery because he thinks that this way of behavior helps in making friends. He says that he started telling Anil, looking at his physical appearance, that he was a little bit wrestler himself, one who replied in very positive manner, and he also told that you are also not less than a wrestler, you are also not less than a physically fit man. This says that Hari Singh had met so many students, so many just you can say people whom he had owned the faith, and ultimately he had deceived them. This is for the first time that Anil, in spite of looking easygoing man, is not going to be trapped easily, but he never just stops making his efforts. He knows that ultimately Anil will become his friend. When the match is over, Anil starts going and Hari Singh starts following him, starts running after him, just trying to interact and trying to be a man of good faith. When they are out of the wrestling field, Hari Singh starts following him, and after all, he is asked by Anil what his name was. Students, one very important phrase of our life, common life, has been adopted here, which is appealing a smile. Appealing a smile means the smile which is going to be fruitful, it is not going to fail, and this was a tag which was generally used by Hari Singh in order to attract the attention of common man whom he tries to meet and tries to win the faith. Hari Singh smiled and replied, I want to work. Hari Singh says that he interacted by the way, and he expressed that he was willing, he was just ready to work for him. At this, Anil replied that he was not in position to pay. If he is ready to pay for work for no pay, then he can come with him. After this, Hari Singh thought that this was off time and there was no any person to be just interacted. So he added a subsidiary question whether he was ready to feed him or not. At this, Anil also imposed one point that yes, he can feed him if he knows the art of cooking. Hari Singh had never cooked in his life, but he agreed. He told a lie. He made it clear that there was no way to go out and he should not just leave the chance. So he caught hold of chance and he agreed that he could cook. Then, after that, both of them went to Jamuna sweet shop where Anil used to live in an apartment and the room, the apartment, the flat that he had booked, he had taken on rent was not so big. There was a room attached to a balcony where Hari Singh was told to sleep. The very turning point in the story comes when Hari Singh cooked food that night and served it to Anil. Anil couldn't take even a single grain of the food, and ultimately he gave it to a stray dog and told Hari Singh that he would teach him how to cook. This was the way that was improved. This was the way that was improved by the situation, and Hari Singh was now just becoming very close to Anil, and in this way, Hari Singh was now taught the art of cooking, now taught the art of cooking food, and ultimately he was also taught how to write letters. Two great achievements in his life. First, he was taught the art of cooking, that was the basic foundation for becoming faithful person in anybody's life. And secondly, he was also just taught how to write whole sentences and how to add numbers. He was very much grateful to Anil because he knew once he could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what he could achieve. He knows, although he is the thief, he is a circumstantial thief. He is not thief by birth, but he knows the art of real life. He makes it clear that if he is educated, he knows how to read and write. He can earn whatever he want. He can achieve whatever he want, and he agreed that he would work continuously for Anil in spite of any misfortune, in spite of any trouble. Students, rest of the lesson will be taught to you in next video. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay at home.